This is the part. Why you get so messy with yogurt? Good morning, friends. We're eating waffles, yogurt, and strawberries are gone. So today I'll be showing you guys what she eats in a day, and hopefully that inspires you to create some meal ideas for your toddler. This girl eats a lot, so you gotta eat her. Yeah, thank you. Whenever she's done eating, she likes to give me the plate. And if I don't get it, she'll toss it on the floor. Good morning. What are you eating? Waffles, strawberries, yogurt with honey. Yeah. And here's my breakfast: yogurt, apples, walnuts, and honey. Okay, now it is after breakfast and you're dressed up and ready for the day, right? You ready for the day? No, wait. Wait. Ooh, beautiful. Is that yellow? You can barely see it on the paper though. Beautiful. Oh, I see you drawing. What are you drawing? Oh. Okay, so now I'm gonna make her snack. It's 12:30. I usually give her snack around 12:30, 12:15, depending on how she acts. Hi. Are you ready for your snack? You wanna eat? Yeah, I know you wanna eat. It's time. Okay, gotta close that door. So these are all of the crackers that I have for her. I got all of these from Target. The Happy Baby Teethers, these are organic. I've tried these. They taste like foam paper to me, but they're organic, gluten-free. They have vegetables in it. They have different other flavors too. And then these cookies, these are great. I don't like giving them to her when she's running around the house because they are messy. And then these creamies, she loves these. I tried them. I don't like it. She's her own little person, and whatever flavor she likes, she likes. I gotta remember, like, things that I don't like, I should just be giving them to her anyways because, you know, she has her own different palate, so yeah. Okay, so now it is, well, almost 2 o'clock, but I put her to sleep at 1 o'clock. So it's her nap time. She usually sleeps around an hour and a half to 2 hours sometimes. Sometimes I hope she sleeps 3 hours so that I could do more things, but now I think of what I'm going to give her for lunch. I just made her grandparents some food. So in this household, my in-laws live with us, so it's a lot of Cuban food. So she eats what we eat. I made some chicken, rice, beans. It's usually the same thing here, so that's what she's gonna eat for lunch. And we'll just wait and see when this girl wakes up. And yeah. Okay, so now she's up and I have to make her lunch. I just came back from Costco, got some things, so yeah, I think I'm just gonna make something really fast because she's been crying. She's with her grandparents right now in the room. She just saw me, so that's why she's quiet. Okay, so this is her lunch for today. It's some chicken that I made, some rice, and these fruit and vegetable pouches that I got from Costco. You can get 24 of these for $8, which is a great price. She really likes these. I also got the applesauce ones. I think it's the same price as well, but they are organic and Easy for her to eat.
She
Just woke up. Well, like 30 minutes ago. You ready to eat? That's your eating sign. That's her eating sign. She's ready to eat.
pee.
You like it, huh? So this snack is really easy to make. I just put regular whole milk yogurts and a fresh blueberry. It was my first time doing it, so I just wanted to see how she reacted to it before I kept making more. That's the thing.
Pee.
Girl. Brain freeze. There you go. So we have pizza, peas, and strawberries.
Pizza.
Oh my God, you're starting to get it. Strawberry. And peas. You like strawberries. She's just making that face. You just making that face.
Oh,
Yeah. Pizza. You love pizza. Okay, good night. Say night night. Okay, so now I'm eating my dinner. I just put Luna to sleep. So yeah, that is what I feed her in a day. Every day is different. She's gotten a bit more pickier on her food. She used to eat a lot of vegetables, but now it's like she doesn't want to eat it. So I have to figure out a way how to get her back on some vegetables. And you know, every parent is different in how they feed their kids. So whatever I fed her today, if that doesn't work for you, okay, that's fine. Everyone is different. So yeah, if you're looking for more motherhood and lifestyle videos, subscribe today and push that bell button for notifications. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see. I am tired as heck. I'm so tired. I was cooking for my in-laws, for Luna, for myself. So it's been a long freaking day. Life as a stay-at-home mom is never ending. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye.